Lily.
Oh, hi, Tiggy. Guess what I heard at school today?
What?
Having another raffle at Tucker, and I think you'd like some of the prizes.
Prizes? I love prizes. What prizes?
Well, there are gift certificates to local stores, links golfing, Patriots tickets,
Oh, I love football.
and a special night on the town, including a stay at the Park Plaza Hotel.
I think we could all use a vacation.
Ha, totally. And the money we raise goes to great stuff like Unity Night, field trip buses, and in-school programs.
Oh, that sounds awesome. How do we get raffle tickets?
Well, you can go online to tuckerpto.com/raffle. Tickets are on sale until October 31st.
That's Halloween! Stay on topic, Chippy.
Anyway, then the giveaways go all throughout November.
I'm going online right now to tuckerpto.com/raffle to buy my tickets.
Hey, wait, are you allowed to go online?
Sure.
Should I be worried?
No,